So, one of the services that we offer for brides after their wedding is wedding gown cleaning and preservation. This is a really great service for anybody who intends on keeping their gown longer than, I would say, like maybe 2 years. The gowns can really discolor and disintegrate over time due to sugar stains that inevitably will find themselves on your dress during your wedding if they are not properly cleaned after the wedding. So, sugar stains are anything like champagne, sweat, grass, frosting. I mean, think like anything organic, right? Is what is going to cause your wedding dress to have like brown splotches. And depending on the fabric, sometimes they can even disintegrate over time. So when you get your gown cleaned and preserved, those sugar stains are going to be removed, and then it comes back in a really nice, like airtight box, which is then going to continue to help it preserve for, I mean, it comes with a 100-year guarantee. So one of the best parts about our service is that it includes free pickup and delivery. So when you pre-book the service, which is, in my opinion, the best way to do it, you can book a time for me to come and pick up your dress either from you or from a family member, if you're going on your honeymoon right afterwards. And then it's like already off your to-do list before you get that wedding fatigue and all of a sudden it's been like 6 months or a year and you still haven't gotten your dress cleaned. So I pick up the dress, we ship it out, it comes back to you. It comes in this really nice box that's easy to store. And, there's still like a window so that you can see it and everything. It includes 5 accessories. And it's just like a really nice way to kind of wrap up your wedding day in a box. How about that? One thing that I also love about this service is that we have done so many remakes of brides' mothers' gowns, like into a rehearsal dinner dress or maybe a getting ready robe or something like that. And a lot of times we're having to restore these gowns before we have them reworked into something new. So for the brides whose mothers did have their dress preserved, they always come back and they're like super pristine. All we have to do is steam them to get them into alterations. But, we do on occasion have dresses that have not been properly preserved, and we have them go through the restoration process. It does cost a little bit more money, so there is value in doing it right after your wedding so that you can ensure that this dress is, potentially something that somebody could use in the future, for kids or nieces, grandchildren. We've had so many really fun things that people have done with heirloom gowns. And I think that it's such a nice investment to make sure that what you have spent so much money and effort on with your wedding gown to get it to this place, like let's, spend a little bit more investment to get it over the finish line and make sure that you have it for years to come.